Here I have Motorola Moto G6 and let me show you how to enter the test mode on the following device by using the secret code. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's activate the phone's dialer. Let's use the keypad and let's use the first secret code. Asterisk hash 2486 *******. As you can see, CQA test pops up. Here you can perform a couple of hardware tests. For example, you can use the CQA menu mode right here and test the battery. You can see the battery info. You can test the audio, for example the loudspeaker. You can test other things such as record and playback, ear speaker. You may also use the FM, the SIM card, the USB host mode, the version, vibrator. For example, let me test the vibrator. You can also see some information, for example the version info right here, and other tests. As you can see, everything from the following list. Let me go back. You can also use the sequence mode and you can perform the sequential test. You can use the mode assemble mode right here, and you can open the MMI test. So that's it. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key, and now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.